You guess.
And the emergency alert system during potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama.
Do none of you have signal?
South Central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-hazard day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest, and South Central Georgia. This concludes the activated for the radio warning alarm and emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office.